Today I was in the process of adjusting my rear parking brake because when I am parked on a slope, the parking brake is not strong enough to hold a car, and it would kind of make this weird creaking noise and it would roll back a little bit. So I thought today would be a good day to do that, and midway I decided it'd be a good idea to make a video, kind of give you guys some pointers so you don't make the same mistakes I did. It's pretty straightforward, but yeah, let me just show you what's going on. Turn the camera around. Got my rear rotor. So basically what happened was, when you take your wheel off, you will want to adjust the brake shoe or whatever inside of here through this hole right here. What I did was I tried to twist it off and I ended up pushing it inside. So that's why I ended up having to take the whole brake assembly apart or off. So if you don't make that mistake, you won't even have to go that far. You just take this off and you adjust it through this hole. Now to take it off, you just ignore that hole, just go in from the side, put your screwdriver in there, just kind of dig it out right there. Now if you didn't do that and you were like me and you decided to somehow manage to push it inside, you would have to take off this brake assembly and take off your rotor. So what you are actually doing when you're going through that hole, you're looking for this little twisty thingy. Basically what this is just a spring, and this adjusts how far out these brake pads or shoes, I don't know, it's probably like a drum brake, how far out these go. So when you're turning it towards yourself, this brake pad is actually moving out, so increasing your resistance on your parking brake. If you turn it towards the car, so that way, you are actually pulling it in, and you would have the issue that I'm having with the parking brake not holding. So you're just gonna have to play with it. What I did was I put this on, put the rotor back on, you have your right there. You can tighten that, and then when you put on depress your parking brake all the way, you can test for the resistance, how much force it would take to actually turn it. Right now mine's not pressed down, so it turns freely, but I guess that's how you would check to see how much resistance. And I think when I tested it, it only took me like maybe 3 clicks. So, and clicks would be, let me get this off. Click would just be it going over the spring. So yeah, and you just put it back together and be done with it. And don't forget to put your cover back on. All right, well, I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And I hope you have a great day.